Your first step is to get your old phone ready. Chances are, if you haven't used it for a while, the Wi-Fi won't be able to be picked up on the phone if the date is incorrect. So you need to fix the date. Scroll down and go to General Management and then go adjust the date and time by switching on the automatic date and time. Step number 2, go to the App Store. This also works on Apple. Find AlfredCamera on both your old phone and the new phone, and make sure that you're installing it on the same Google account. Step number 3, you open the old phone. Once you've set up your AlfredCamera account with the same Google account, the old phone, you make it a camera. The new phone, or where you want to view what the camera is going to show you on your old phone, you set your app to viewer. Step 4, grant permission and you're done on the phone. Let's do the physical setup. Now the last part is the trickiest part because it's a DIY security mounting and you need to do this at the right angle. So my lifesavers are the two, either on Amazon or Temu, just for this setup. You're going to need a flexible Octopus tripod that you can wrap the legs around a door frame, a shelf, any area that would be able to accept the mounting that you're going to do. You can wrap the legs around anything to mount your camera so that it stands still. The second part is a 3-meter extra long charger because your camera needs to stay plugged in and you need to have your camera on charger all the time so that it doesn't lose power. What you're seeing is a live feed on my office where I sit and work, and I'm able to see wherever I place the camera. So you can place the camera anywhere, with watching the kids, watching the streets at your home, watching somebody that cleans your house. It's up to you. So, by the way, you can also watch the live feed on your computer. Are you going to set up this? Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you another great use for your old phone that's just sitting at home. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you with our next video.